Hello guys, this is Dejan and now I'm gonna show you how to train back. Pam pam pam. We're gonna train back. Listen to me now. Inside my house we are cooking goulash and something else, some salad and that kind of shit. So before the goulash is ready, we're gonna go 10 minutes cooking inside, and now we're gonna do the back. We're gonna do the triceps also, and fingers, the triceps, little bit like this.
That screen was your window, that feed was your river, that voice was your shepherd, that lie was your anchor, and you were always the product, you were always the product. So look in the mirror and break it to pieces.
Round 3. You have always time for training, guys. Always time for training. I promise you. Before this, before that, before this, before that, just go. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, no problem. Just go. You have always time. Okay guys, this is it. It's like 8-9 minutes, 10 minutes before cutting the movie. And now the goulash, my goulash, is finished inside, and now we're gonna go eat. So you have always time for training, I promise you. Okay, so this is Dejan, and now over and out.